A bookshelf is more than just storage. It's a statement piece. Whether your space is big or small, the right bookshelf design can turn any wall into a stunning display of personality and creativity. Today, we're diving into unique bookshelf ideas that blend style, function, and a touch of artistry. In this video, we'll break things down into 4 simple sections: layout concepts, space-saving designs, styling techniques, and statement-making features. Whether you're designing a home office, living room, or bedroom nook, these ideas will spark your imagination. Start with the overall layout. Traditional horizontal shelves work perfectly, but you can also explore asymmetrical arrangements or geometric patterns. The layout you choose sets the mood: clean and structured, or playful and bold. Consider full wall layouts, floating arrangements, or built-in columns. Each approach creates a different kind of presence and helps shape the room's overall character. If these creative bookshelf ideas sparked your imagination, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves stylish home design. Even small rooms can have incredible bookshelf designs. Use vertical structures to maximize height, slim designs to fit tight corners, or built-in units to make use of unused spaces. Smart placement can transform the smallest nook into a functional reading corner. Think about multi-use pieces as well. Shelves that double as dividers or blend seamlessly into existing furniture can add both style and efficiency. Styling is where your bookshelf truly comes alive. Mix books with decorative elements, use layering to create depth, and play with height variations to keep the eye moving. A thoughtful balance between open space and filled space creates a clean, modern look. Colors also play a big role. Whether you prefer a neutral flow or a bold contrast, a cohesive color story always elevates the overall design. Which bookshelf idea was your favorite? Floating shelves, geometric designs, hidden storage, or built-ins? Tell me in the comments below. To make your bookshelf stand out, consider adding one strong design feature. This might be a unique shape, integrated lighting, interesting textures, or dramatic framing. A single striking detail can transform the entire display from simple to unforgettable. Even the simplest shelf can make a major impact with the right finishing touch. Subscribe CTA for more clever home decor inspiration and unique design ideas. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And that wraps up our creative bookshelf design ideas. Whether you're working with a large wall or a tiny corner, the right bookshelf blends function with artistic expression. Explore, experiment, and create a display that truly reflects your personality. Your perfect shelf is just a few ideas away.